Hello to the people that should know me. I'm not doing very well. I got anxiety while I was daydreaming. The future isn't looking so bright right now. Don't have a job or even know how to drive. If I can get my life together, maybe I can live my life. Is this what I get for being the golden child? While I'm mourning all my crushed dreams, I see all my friends smiling in their pictures. I would love to have the mind that everything is fine at home, but I'm sinking in depression, and I think my body's failing. Someone let me see some hope. I'm just trying while my mind is dying. Can I get to be who I want to be? I'm coughing up my lungs while my reality is stuck. I just want the life I live inside my head. Someone teach me how to live without heavy breathing.